Hi everyone, thank you so much for coming to watch this video on how to make Jolly Rancher lollipops homemade. So you do require to use the oven, so make sure if you need parental supervision, you guys do that because we don't want you guys to burn your hands while doing this video on either the pan or the candy. The candy can get really hot, so make sure that you guys are really careful when doing these. They're really easy. I hope you guys enjoy the video and have a lot of fun trying if you do so. And you guys, we are having a giveaway, so we are trying to reach 200,000 subscribers, so make sure that you guys subscribe and you could be entered in to win this awesome Nintendo Switch. So make sure that you guys subscribe, click the like button, and comment on our videos, and we will be sure to comment back. Okay, you guys, watch to the end of the video and I'll talk a little bit more. Well, that's it, everyone. Make sure you guys comment on what you think of these lollipops and let us know if you guys try them and how they turn out. They really are easy, so just make sure that you're careful when using the oven and all that. So like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, we are doing a giveaway, which is super exciting. So make sure that you guys enter into our draw, and we're trying to reach 200,000 subscribers. And when we do that, we will be sure to notify everybody and, of course, the winner. So make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment this video. And you guys stay tuned for our next video. Thanks, everyone.